How's it going? Tessie here from Tessie Television. I'm just going to put an itsy bitsy vlog up. I've mentioned a few times on some of my videos that I lay awake in bed because either my husband is snoring or the dogs are snoring, or my husband and the dogs are snoring. And I finally got my husband on video. You can't see him, but you can hear him. And I thought I'd post an itsy bitsy vlog. So here it is in all its glory. I love you, honey. So enjoy, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye. Dave. Dave. Dave.
Huh?
You're snoring.